Cooperative Credit Union. Good morning to you, gentlemen. Good morning.
Pleasant good morning to you, Stephen, and to your dedicated listeners of the DBS Radio. Pleasant good morning too as well to our members and our prospective members of Central Credit Union. For me, it is a true privilege to join you today, Stephen, and to represent a financial institution built on the principle of community support and country development. And we are so excited to be not just a credit union, but a partner in your financial journey. And so today we are so excited to announce a new product designed to help our members achieve their goals. So in the upcoming segments, we want to dwell on specifics as to this new offering, alongside a closer look at two of the most significant financial milestones in a person's life. That is a vehicle and a mortgage. And we'll also break down the numbers, what you need to know from the application process to the benefits of a sound financial plan. And Stephen, beyond the numbers and the paperwork, we also recognize that many in our community and in our country are navigating challenging financial waters. And it's for this reason that a crucial part of our conversation here this morning will be dedicated to providing compassionate and practical advice for those experiencing financial hardship. And we at Central, we believe that everyone deserves a clear path forward, and we are here to provide that guidance and support needed to find that path. So once again, thank you for allowing us to be part of your day, Stephen. And we are happy and ready and excited to start this important conversation. I should tell you, for the records, my name is Donald Burton. I am the Credit and Collections Manager of Central. And alongside me is Mr. Keontae Harrigan, Loans Officer at Central. Okay, Stevens. Again, to as well, Central is not just about a financial institution. Central is more than that. Central is a product of strength, unity, resilience, and the vision of people who came together to build something bigger than themselves. Stephen, I love history, and I'll start by saying back in 2007, when the Portsmouth Cooperative Credit Union, alongside the St. Alphonsus Credit Union, one from the north and one from the south, came together, and something beautiful and exciting emerged. We weren't just combining resources. What we did, we blended legacies, and together we brought more than 100 years of financial expertise to the table. Think about that for a second, Stephen. A century of trust and knowledge and commitment. And that's the kind of foundation you want when it comes to your money. Central, what we do is manage dollars and cents. And we manage futures. We help dreams move from maybe to definitely. We help families stand tall. Students take their first steps. And members face life with confidence. And that's what Central is all about. And so today I am so excited. I'm here to introduce you to something we designed with the members, with everyone in mind. And that is the IndyCash loan product. So, Stephen, let's be real. It's independence season. You know, independence is about flags and parades and celebrations and togetherness. But if we're being honest, there are also expenses along the way. And life doesn't stop just like that, you know. So while people are celebrating, everything seems to come all at once. That is expenses. And that's where the IndyCash steps in. And with IndyCash, you can borrow up to $10,000. Yes, $10,000, and use it for just about anything that makes sense for you. So maybe it could be just last minute summer items before the season winds down. Maybe it's back to school expenses like uniforms, shoes, books, and yes, even the gadgets for the kids. And maybe, just maybe, it could be about upgrading your home. You want a fresh coat of paint, you want to purchase a fridge, or even purchase a new couch just to transform your space. And maybe, just maybe, it could be for you, Stephen, because I know, Stephen, you love party, right, Stephen? You love partying, and maybe you'd want to purchase World Creole Music Festival tickets and all the excitement that comes with the independent season. And so the IndyCash product is designed just for you. And that point is so simple and clear. IndyCash is flexible. It fits into anyone's lifestyle. We didn't just design IndyCash. No, we didn't just design IndyCash with rigid rules. We designed it so that no matter your need, big or small, practical or fun, you have the freedom to decide what you want to use with that cash. And here's the part that makes this product truly remarkable and unbeatable. Repayments can be as low as $90 per month on the minimum, up to 4 years to repay. So we're not really adding pressure to our members. What we are doing is to allow for breathing room. And that's the financial freedom that comes with this kind of product. And I want to talk about something very important that sets Central apart from the rest. The reducing balance interest rate. And that's what IndyCash has, a reducing balance interest rate. And a lot of people are misguided by what this actually is. So let me explain. Let me just break down. Let me just explain nicely what is reducing balance. And with Central, interest is calculated only on the balance you owe at that time. Every time you pay, your interest goes down because your balance goes down. That means you're saving money as you go. And compare that to other financial institutions who offer flat loans. Flat loans trap you and they make you pay the same heavy interest from day one until the end. And that's not fair, and that's not being transparent, and that's not Central's way. Rather, Central's way is that we believe in fairness and transparency, and the reducing balance system is proof of that. But that's only one layer of the IndyCash advantage, There's another advantage. At Central, your loan comes with free loan protection. Yes, free, and that's what I said, it's free. If the unexpected happens and death occurs, your loan is wiped out at no cost to you, your family, or your beneficiary, or your estate. That means no one is left with carrying a financial burden. That's what Central brings. Peace of mind that is not at no price to anyone. And on top of that, with us at Central, we do not just stop here. We tie in what you call a savings plan. So, in the beginning, we ask you for 5% minimum savings security. But apart from that, we add what you call a compulsory savings plan on top of that. And that means you can borrow. You only have to actually provide what you call a financial security for your loan. And that brings a financial cushion for the future. And remember this is your money, nobody else's money, your money. And you're not just losing, you're gaining, you're growing. And just like your loan, that savings is insured. So in the event of death, your savings could actually double. It could actually double for your beneficiary or beneficiaries to your account. And think about that for a second. You borrow, you build, and you protect. And that's not banking, at Central, and that's legacy building. So let me just let our members know what they will need. With the IndyCash loan, it's not just a loan. It's freedom wrapped in opportunity. And with Central, you do not just borrow, you grow. And again, reducing balance saves you money. You have free loan protection and therefore peace of mind, and savings build your legacy. Again, that is not banking, that's legacy building, that's belonging. What do you need to grab onto this once in a lifetime opportunity? Again, a recent letter of employment from your employer and 2 most recent salary statements if you are a salaried person. We also ask you for a minimum of 5% security savings deposit, and that is your money, and we help you grow that money. And the last and most important item, we will ask you for what you call credit checks or credit reports. And so that's the checklist. 4 main items, no unnecessary hoops to jump through. So here's the agency of this. This promotion ends on November 7, 2025. After that, the doors are closed. Opportunity knocks, but it doesn't just wait on any and anybody, so you need to take care of and take advantage of this opportunity. So call us today. The numbers are 275-5902 or 275-2891, or you can simply head online to myccccul.com and book your appointment today. So it's quick, it's easy, and it could make your independence really, truly a remarkable season.
Cash in a flash with Indie Cash. Celebrate 47 years of independence with CCCUL. Get ready for the season with your CCCUL Indie Cash loan. Borrow up to $10,000 and make your independent dreams come true. With Indie Cash, use your Indie Cash to purchase your World Crowd Music Festival tickets, spruce up your home and Airbnb, or get your stores and bars ready for the festive season. With Indie Cash, monthly payments as low as $90. Yes, $90. Visit myccccul.com or call 767-275-5902 or 767-275-2891 today. Celebrate independence the right way with CCCUL Indie Cash. Indie Cash loan from CCCUL. Cash in a flash.
From now till November 7th, 2025. Terms and conditions apply. Happy Independence, Dominica.
With Indie Cash. Celebrate 47 years of independence with CCCUL. Get ready for the season with your CCCUL Indie Cash loan. Borrow up to $10,000 and make your independent dreams come true. With Indie Cash, use your Indie Cash to purchase your World Crowd Music Festival tickets, spruce up your home and Airbnb, or get your stores and bars ready for the festive season. With Indie Cash, monthly payments as low as $90. Yes, $90. Visit myccccul.com or call 767-275-5902 or 767-275-2891 today. Celebrate independence the right way with CCCUL Indie Cash. Indie Cash loan from CCCUL. Cash in a flash.
From now till November 7th, 2025. Terms and conditions apply. Happy Independence, Dominica.
A very pleasant good morning to you, Mr. Stephen Dangleben, all of the listeners of the Nation Station, and all of our members and prospective members out there. My name is Keontae Harrigan. As Mr. Burton would have said earlier, I'm a loans officer, and I am based at our Goodwill branch. Mr. Burton just spoke about our Indie Cash loan promotion, and I would just strongly encourage all the members and prospective members out there to take advantage of that loan promotion, because the promotion is going quite quickly, so please do take advantage of it. I'm here to speak to you now in relation to our motor vehicle loan. So we have just wrapped up the month of August. We are now in September, and I would like to tell everyone out there, look no further than the Central Cooperative Credit Union for our exceptional motor vehicle loan. It's thoughtfully designed to put you behind the wheel of your dream ride. Whether you're picturing a sleek, fairly new vehicle that turns heads, or a reliable, well-maintained, pre-owned model that's ready to carry you through life's adventures, we're here to make sure your vision is a reality with our very unbeatable 7.99% interest rate. It's crafted to keep you cruising smoothly through 2025 and beyond. As Mr. Burton elucidated earlier, he so rightly said that Central is not just any other financial institution. It's a cornerstone of trust, resilience, and community spirit. It's forged through the historic amalgamation of the Portsmouth and St. Alphonsus credit unions. Together, we bring over 100 years of unparalleled financial expertise and a deep-rooted commitment to uplifting our members and the communities that we serve. We're not merely a lender, we're a steadfast community partner dedicated to empowering your dreams with integrity, experience, and a genuine passion for your financial well-being. At CCCUL, we believe in building lasting relationships, not just transactions, and we're here to support you every mile of the way. Now, the members out there may be saying to themselves, well, there are lots of motor vehicle loan options out there. What makes the motor vehicle loan option at Central much different? What makes us different is it's tailored to your unique needs and circumstances, which with features that provide unmatched peace of mind. So every loan comes equipped with our loan protection coverage. It's a safeguard that ensures that you're protected should unexpected challenges emerge or financial hardship arise. And that's not all. We also tailor into our vehicle loan package insurance. It's seamlessly integrated, so your new ride is fully protected from the moment you turn the key. Whether you're eyeing a brand new beauty or dependable vehicle up to 10 years young, we take the time to understand your individual circumstances, and we work tirelessly to customize solutions that fit your life perfectly. Now, you just heard what I said and you're ready to get started. And you may be thinking, what do I need in order to pursue a vehicle loan with Central? We've made the process as streamlined as possible and straightforward, and we're here to guide you through every step of the way. So in terms of the application process, to apply, bring along your job letter. So this is for our this is for our salaried persons, of course. We have terms for our salaried persons, and we also have terms for our self-employed persons. So for our salaried persons, you need to bring along your 2 most recent salary slips, a recent letter of employment, a national issued ID. You would need to also purchase shares to become part of our cooperative family. You would need to do some credit reports. You would need a letter of intent to sell, a mechanical assessment report of the vehicle, registration information from the Inland Revenue Division, and also a full comprehensive insurance quote. And for those who are ordering online, we would also want pictures and a cost insurance and freight quote. As I previously said earlier, we also have terms for our self-employed members who may also be pursuing vehicle loans. We'll need your registered business details, bank statements, credit reports, and we can utilize a standing order in order to ensure a smooth process in terms of payments. You can rest assured that our warm and very knowledgeable team is just a phone call away and ready to answer your questions and provide the support you need to move forward with confidence. Why wait to drive the vehicle that you deserve? Make an appointment today by calling 767-275-5902 or 767-275-2891, or visit our user-friendly website at mycccul.com to book a consultation online. At Central, we're more than just a credit union. We're a compassionate community partnership built on over a century of financial wisdom and unwavering commitment to your success. Let us help you secure the ride of your dreams, fully protected with loan protection coverage and tailored insurance, so you can hit the road with joy and peace of mind. That's the Central Cooperative Credit Union Limited, where your financial journey meets the open road, backed by a legacy of trust and community care. Call us today and let's make September the month you drive into a brighter future. Thank you.
Cash in a flash. Within the cash. Celebrate 47 years of independence with CCCUL. Get ready for the season with your CCCUL in the cash loan. Borrow up to $10,000 and make your independent dreams come true. Within the cash. Use your in the cash to purchase your World Crowd Music Festival tickets. Spruce up your home and Airbnb Get your stores and bars ready for the festive season. With IndyCash, monthly payments as low as $90. Yes, $90. Visit myccccul.com or call 767-275-5902 or 767-275-2891 today. Celebrate independence the right way with CCCUL IndyCash. IndyCash loan from CCCUL. Cash in a flash. With IndyCash.
Promotion runs from now till November 7th, 2025. Terms and conditions apply. Happy Independence, Dominica.
Welcome back. So you've heard me speak about the IndyCash loan promotion, and you've heard Mr. Harrigan speak about vehicle loans. But today, let me talk about the biggest investment of them all, the one that shapes families, anchors generations, and becomes the backdrop for your best memories. And what is that? Of course, it's your home. Because at Central, we do not just finance dreams. What we do, we build them brick by brick, block by block, nail by nail. And that is the Central Mortgage Loan Solution. Let me get straight into the headlines. Our mortgage rates with Central is as low as 4.75%. Yes, you heard me right, 4.75%. And that's per annum on the reducing balance. That rate you can lock in, it's unbeatable. And that's a rate that stands tall. A rate that gives you room to breathe while you build the life you want. So whether you switch in your mortgage or you're starting fresh with your first home or refinancing for a better deal, Central has a solution designed with you in mind. And here's the fun part. Here's the beauty about all of this. It's not just for our long-time members or members, prospective members, and anyone searching for a true financial home. Central is the place to be. Central has a solution designed with you in mind. And so let's talk about mortgage protection, because we know that a mortgage is not just about money, it's about security. And with your Central mortgage, you receive free loan protection up to $100,000. Yes, up to $100,000. And here's what. I'll tell you this much. We are already working to increase that amount, because peace of mind should never be capped. It should never be capped. Imagine the confidence of knowing that if the unexpected were to happen, your loved ones are not just left carrying that burden, that financial burden, that stress and that worries. Central has the assurance, Central has your back. But here's where we take it one step further. Unlike most financial institutions that stop at giving you a mortgage, Central couples your loan with a savings plan. I spoke about that when I mentioned the IndyCash. There's a savings plan attached to your mortgage. And this is not just a side account you'll forget sometime in the future, This is your cushion, your safety net, and your quiet partner in progress. Imagine, while your mortgage is a long-term commitment, your savings plan is flexible and it grows steadily. And in times of need, whether it's for travel, whether it's for medical emergency, your child's education, or another life surprise, it's there for you. You're not left empty-handed. Instead, you've got options. That's the real difference that Central brings. We're not just about lending. We're about lending and building, lending and protecting, lending and preparing you for tomorrow. And speaking about preparation, let's talk about planning. Too often, people rush into buying or building without checking the financial foundation first. And at Central, we believe in flipping that script. And before you submit building plans or letters of intent, talk to us at Central. Sit down with one of our experienced loans officers, persons like Mr. Harrigan. Let us walk you through the numbers and the process and the pitfalls and the opportunities. We give you clarity before you can commit, because knowledge is power and preparation saves you money, time and heartache. And here's something about Central that is even more valuable. Central offers pre-approval. Yes, pre-approval. That means we assess your economic and salary positions upfront, and we give you a realistic, confident picture of what you can afford. That way, when you go and negotiate with your contractors and your developers and property owners, you're not guessing. What you're doing is your negotiation from strength. You're walking into the room with confidence and certainty as to what you are about. So, let me just give you the list as to what you need when you apply for a mortgage. We ask for a letter of employment and 2 recent salary statements for those persons that are salaried. For those business persons and self-employed persons, we ask for an income and financial statement from a certified accountant of your choice. We also ask you for a recent bank account activity report. Also too as well, we ask that persons bring along a government-issued identification, the approved house plans from planning division, and also too as well a letter of approval from the planning division. We also ask that you bring along a detailed estimates of materials and labor. We also ask for a valuation of property, both current and projected. And of course, we ask for life insurance. And all this may sound like a long list, but let me just assure you, the member and the prospective member, everything I just mentioned before is about protecting you, not stressing you. So every document ensures transparency, clarity, and security. That's what we encourage at Central. And with Central's officers guiding you, we'll make it as smooth, clear, and comfortable for you. Now, let's pause for a moment and ask that dreaded question. Why Central? Why choose us over anyone else? And the answer is clear and simple. We are not just another bank or another credit union. Again, I must say, we are the product of unity, strength, history, and experience. I love history. Back in 2007, Portsmouth Cooperative Credit Union in the north joined hands with St. Alphonsus in the south. And here came a beautiful experience, the Central Cooperative Credit Union. And we carried forward over a century of wisdom. Yes, a century of wisdom. That is 100 years of guiding members, building homes, supporting businesses, and protecting families. What more can you ask for? So when you come to us, you're not just taking out a mortgage or a vehicle or an IndyCash. You're plugging into a legacy. And more than that, we're evolving. So we combine that century of wisdom and modern innovation. And what you get the best of both worlds, tradition and trust, paired together with technology and vision. So why just dream of a home when you can own one? Picture this for a moment. Let's just paint a beautiful picture. Imagine yourself stepping into your own home, the keys in your hand, the doors swinging open, the children running through the hallway, the walls echo with laughter. The kitchen becomes the heart of family gatherings. Imagine this. Imagine the backyard becomes the stage for birthday celebration, barbecues, quiet moments of peace. That's not just a house. That's your sanctuary. That's your comfort. And that's your legacy. And guess what? Central is ready to make it possible. Ready for you. So again, let me just reiterate the numbers. Call us 275-5902 at the Goodwill branch or 275-2891 at the Portsmouth branch. Or go online and log on to myccccul.com. It's myccccul.com and book your appointment today.
Cash in a flash with IndyCash. Celebrate 47 years of independence with CCCUL. Get ready for the season with your CCCUL IndyCash loan. Borrow up to $10,000 and make your independent dreams come true with IndyCash. Use your IndyCash to purchase your World Crowd Music Festival tickets, spruce up your home and Airbnb, or get your stores and bars ready for the festive season with IndyCash. Monthly payments as low as $90. Yes, $90. Visit mycccul.com or call 767-275-5902 or 767-275-2891 today. Celebrate independence the right way with CCCUL IndyCash. IndyCash loan from CCCUL. Cash in a flash with IndyCash.
Promotion runs from now till November 7th, 2025. Terms and conditions apply. Happy Independence, Dominica.
Okay, great. We are back from the break. Just want to thank Mr. Wilson for that very good presentation in relation to mortgage loans. Very quickly, I wanted to touch on something that is very pertinent and very real to a lot of people out there, that is persons that are experiencing financial setbacks or financial hardships. I just wanted to walk through some ways in which people who are going through difficulties at this time can engage with the credit union so that we can work together to alleviate the challenges. So very quickly, 6 main points. So the first point is to contact the credit union immediately. Reach out to us as soon as possible. We understand that life can bring unexpected difficulties, and we are very much committed to finding solutions tailored to your unique situation. The second point is keep the line of communication open. Provide frequent updates to your loans officer by staying in touch and sharing any changes in your circumstances, whether it's a new job prospect, it could be unexpected expenses or financial shifts. We can better understand your needs and explore options to ease your burden. The third one is review your budget and your financial options. Take a very close look at your current income and expense situation to create and or adjust your budget. Your loans officer can assist you in identifying areas where you might cut back temporarily, and we can also explore programs like loan deferrals, payment plans, or loan restructuring that aligns with your very real financial situation. The fourth point is, again, to engage our assistance programs at the credit union that may include temporary payment reductions, extended loan terms to reduce your monthly obligations, where we are here to guide you through the requirements and the application process. The fifth one is to always reach out to the credit union for support. Acting early can prevent missed payments and protect your financial position with us. The last one is that we are compassionate and we are understanding. We know that facing financial hardship can feel overwhelming, and we want you to know that you're not alone. Your credit union is your partner, ready to listen and work with you through these trying times with empathy and care. We'll find a path forward, keeping your long-term financial well-being in sight, no matter how tough the moment feels. At your credit union, we are more than just a lender. We're a compassionate community dedicated to your success. Contact us today, and let's navigate these challenges together. This is what the Central Credit Union is built on. It is built on hearts and hands, and it is built on people helping people. So do not hesitate to reach out. Let us hold your hand as you go through this very trying time together. I thank you.
So, yes, so as we conclude our time today, I just wanted to extend our deepest gratitude to you, Stephen, for hosting us today and for this meaningful promotion. And to all of you, our listeners, our members, our prospective members for tuning in. And we've talked about significant life steps from securing a new vehicle to the monumental task and decision of home ownership. And we've also touched on the more critical topic of navigating financial difficulty with dignity and grace. And lastly, we also touched on our IndyCash, our super hot IndyCash loan promotion. And so remember this, at our core, we are not just a financial institution. Central is more than that. We are a dedicated team committed to serving you, our community, and our country. We are here not only to provide competitive loan products like our new offering, but to be a constant source of guidance and support. Your financial institution, Central, is there for your well-being, and that's our primary concern. So in closing, I encourage anyone with questions or in need of assistance to reach out to us today. Visit us online or simply visit your local branch, whether it's at Goodwill or at Portsmouth, and let us show you how a partnership with your credit union can make a tangible difference in your life. So once again, Stephen, thank you again for having us, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.
Thank you.
Cash in a flash. Within the cash. Celebrate 47 years of independence with CCCUL. Get ready for the season with your CCCUL in the cash loan. Borrow up to $10,000 and make your independent dreams come true. Within the cash. Use your in the cash to purchase your World Crowd Music Festival tickets. Spruce up your home and Airbnb, or get your stores and bars ready for the festive season. Within the cash. Monthly payments as low as $90. Yes, $90. Visit myccccul.com or call 767-275-5902 or 767-275-2891 today. Celebrate independence the right way with CCCUL in the cash. In the cash loan from CCCUL. Cash in a flash. Within the cash.
Promotion runs from now till November 7th, 2025. Terms and conditions apply. Happy Independence, Dominica.